my name is Mark Akpan. I am the Financial Inclusion Project Manager in the ULEAD project implemented in Nigeria by KUSO International. I am actually happy to be part of the Youth Tool Field Lab program, which is basically aimed at sharing experience and also exchanging information that can help in identifying appropriate tools that can support the project implemented in Mali by fair and also inclusive. So basically I would like to touch on the experience that basically I must really commend both fair and inclusive for the good work they have done and what they are doing. However, one thing with development projects such as this is that it is iterative and learning. So a lot has been done over a period of time, but now it's a time for us to be able to evaluate what has been done to see also how we can be able to improve. So on getting to the field, we discovered that some of the youths have actually started businesses, and they are very enthusiastic in running these businesses successfully. But part of what we identified is that there is a lot of opportunity for improvement in the area of strengthening the capacity of the MFIs to be able to develop products that can be able to meet the needs of these youths, especially savings products, and also including financial education or financial literacy, training, so that these youths can be able to start, inculcating best, savings culture, which of course will enable them to be able to save with the MFIs. And there is also an opportunity to be able to create trust between the MFIs and also the youths, so that there could be a mutual, relationship that can be able to benefit all parties. The youths also, the area also I feel there is a need for us to strengthen is in the area of building the capacity of the mentors, so they can be able to develop appropriate tools that can support these youths in terms of managing their businesses very well, being able to keep the record of their sales, being able to keep their record of their expenses, and as well be able to decide or be able to know when their businesses are making profits or when their businesses are making losses. So definitely there are these opportunities that we really have to work on to make sure that the project achieves its objective. Another area I feel also that we need to strengthen is in the area of effective monitoring. So there have to be adequate structures in place within this community that can help also to understand the progress that these youths are making in the field, and also report to the project managers where there are opportunities for additional support, especially in the area of translating most of the training documents in local languages, where the youths can be able to, on their own, be able to practicalize what they are taught, as opposed to the mentor being the one to help them, do most of the things. The youth should be in the position to be able to learn, to do those things by themselves, because that is the only way you can ensure and also guarantee sustainability. Major key message to all the stakeholders is that there is need for us to step up our commitment towards ensuring the development of youth enterprises in Mali. There are a lot of opportunities as well as a lot of challenges. So the most important thing is our resolve and commitment in ensuring that we mobilize all the necessary tools, utilize all the necessary resources and opportunities and direct it towards the empowerment, growth and success of this youth. Because we have seen a very vast level of poverty within the communities we have been to, This poverty definitely is a result of lack of access to appropriate opportunities or resources. Most of the youths are very enterprising and energetic. They are committed to succeed, to also, do things that can enable them to progress. However, they don't have the appropriate skills that can enable them to, become successful. And it is the responsibility of all the stakeholders in their respective roles, in their respective functions, to ensure that they do all that is necessary to be able to ensure the impact of this project is actually felt by the end beneficiaries, who are the youths. And by so doing, I think we will have a very good report at the end of the day, which of course will be celebrated by all.